Hello everyone, I am making this video for anyone who has a Pokemon Go Plus and is having issues with it connecting to the game. It is currently February the 12th, 2018, and I just restarted my device and my Bluetooth is currently off. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the game, and we'll start with this process. This is the best way I have figured out to get it to connect, because before the third wave of Gen 3, I did a completely different process and I recorded a video for that, and it's just really not applicable now. So I'm going to go ahead and make this video real quick and short and push that out. So maybe I can help someone who's having issues like I was having. But anyway, so this is a fresh launch. I just restarted my phone. Turn on the game, turn on my Bluetooth. I'm going to give that a few minutes for the Bluetooth to kind of figure out what its configuration is and let it get launched. But if you hit the Pokemon ball at the bottom and then go to settings, scroll down to Pokemon Go Plus. If this is your first time you're connecting the Pokemon Go Plus to this device, then you won't see anything under available devices. It'll just be empty. But as soon as you push the Pokemon Go Plus button, something should pop up, and then you will just tap the icon to the left and it will start trying to connect to this device. But in this case, I have already connected it to this device. So I'm going to go over the process of reconnecting it to your device, if it's the next day or maybe a couple hours after the device has automatically desynced itself with Pokemon Go. So I'm going to push the Pokemon Go Plus icon in the top right. You'll see that pink text come up, and once you push the button on the Pokemon Go Plus, it will attempt to connect to the game. And as you can see, it's connected successfully. I haven't had any issues doing this process since the new update, the third wave of Gen 3. So alright, I hope this helps anyone who is having problems figuring out how to get their device to connect. Before the new update, the process was that I would go to settings and Pokemon Go Plus and eject the Pokemon Go Plus device, and then I would go ahead and start from the top of this list, and that would usually work for me. So it seems that Niantic has made it a little bit easier. I'm not sure if it's just me experiencing the connection problems, but I know a lot of people in my local community complain about it. So yeah, let me know if this video has helped you out, or if you have another method of getting the Go Plus to connect to your device. I'd love to hear it. It seems that this is something that's going to possibly, I hope it doesn't change every update, but it seems like this is a good consistent method with this current update. So yeah, you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching.